I invite you now to simply lean back and close your eyes and breathe deeply. Breathe deeply. Imagine in the center of your heart a golden warm light pulsating. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your aura. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into the room that you're in, filling the entire room with this golden warm light. And breathe deeply. Now, dear ones, imagine around you all the wonderful ascended masters, angels, galactic families of light, and Elohim. And they're all around you and they smile at you with so much love. Now, dear ones, imagine just below you, below your feet, the golden flame of resurrection to begin to expand and to swirl up within your being upwards and then expanding outwards and become wide and very intense in the golden color. Breathe deeply, dear ones, and feel this ray and energy of the resurrection ray to fill every cell of your body. This flame is swirling and swirling and swirling upwards. And this life force of the resurrection ray is filling your entire being. It is filling your physical body, your emotional body, your mental body, and your spiritual body, your auric field and your light body. Breathe it in, dear ones. And now this flame intensifies even more. Imagine that you have a dial and you're dialing it up now from 0 to 10. And it is going to be now 10 times stronger. 10 times stronger. Feel it. More and more intensifying. Breathe it in. And now say in your mind or out loud, I am the resurrection and the life of, and add to it what you just have thought of that you wish to resurrect. So now I'm going to give you a moment to say this sentence over and over. I am the resurrection and the life of whatever it is that you wish to resurrect. Try saying it out loud and say it stronger and louder. Say it as if the entire universe and God is listening. Because they are. Make it stronger and stronger. And now say 10 times stronger. I am the resurrection and the life of. Feel it with every cell of your body. Feel it with your heart. And then finish this with, it is done. Thank you. We can feel all of your wonderful decreeing during this activation. You are activating yourself with this resurrection flame. And you feel complete, dear ones. Come on back and open your eyes. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Welcome back, dear ones.